back to my channel, and today I bring you another DIY facial mask packed with many nutrients and vitamins that you guys will love. These are 3 ingredients: olive oil, banana, and avocado. I cannot wait to share this amazing mask with you guys. So with no further ado, let's get into the video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like it, and subscribe to my channel. I try to constantly post videos on skincare and makeup tutorials. You can also follow me on Instagram at lilies_beauty. And to finish off my skincare, I always like to apply a very hydrating and moisturizing cream. This makes my skin feels very smooth. Of course, I couldn't finish my skincare without my J roller. This stuff is amazing. I love to use this when applying moisturizer. I feel like it sinks the product really well. It's great at depuffing my under eye and also to help with the blood circulation. I left the mask for 20 minutes on my skin. I already washed it off, and I have to say that my face feels amazing. It's extremely smooth, it's extremely soft, and I feel the hydration right away. And it's so simple. There's so many benefits to these 3 ingredients. If you try it out, you will love it. Please tag me if you end up doing this facial mask. I would love to know that you are taking care of your beautiful skin. And I will continue here drinking my banana smoothie. And thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Love you guys.